In this video I am going to tell you how to use retouch tool in the Capcut application. So first you need to import any video you want to edit, then click on that video. After that you need to scroll down and go to retouch. You have two options to retouch. You can retouch your face or you can retouch your body. First we have to go to face, and now you have some options here. If you want to smoothen your face, you can just click on smooth and you can just scroll down to smooth your face up. This is how you can easily smooth up your face, okay? And then you can just go to skin color, and you have some skin colors here for free. You can just use these skin colors as you want to use. These are very easily convert your video, and your face will look very amazing after this. You have many options. You can try every options. Even for teeth you can use all that. You have option for nose, dark circles. You can just do all these things. This will improve your face. And then you have option for body. You can just use this, and this will help you to this will help you to retouch your body, okay?